720. Got the first cop rolling through. He's getting pulled over. That sounded nuts. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with my straight pipe BMW M4. Today we're going to be going on another POV drive with a whole bunch of supercars. So with less being said, let's hop inside the M4, get on the road. As you can see, we are now on the highway. We have a beautiful view around us. Mountains, mansions. But it's a bit hazy today, so we're gonna be heading out to Cars and Connections. We got about maybe 15 minutes left of driving. As you can hear, the M4 is sounding exceptionally good this morning. So this car should probably last maybe a half hour to an hour. Then we're gonna head up in the mountains, get some canyon driving. So let's go ahead and pull up and see what kind of cars at today's event. Dang, this car is smoking. As you can see, we got the M4 parked up. It's actually clean this time. We went ahead and washed it last night, but we're parked up next to a nice silver McLaren, the GT500, a whole bunch of cars here today at the event. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around and check some of these things out. This is a nice red on the G80 M3 carbon grills. Man, that is nice. But check out this Huracan. Kind of nice, you know, balloon white type color on the outside, but interior, man, black and yellow. Even got a 60th anniversary plaque in the middle. This is just sick. It smells expensive. If you guys know me, you know I love blue. There's a Miami blue F80 next to a kind of satin electric blue F80 as well. Two really cool colors. I mean, this is just clean. Got some more M's pulling in. Man, here goes the F90 M5. This thing is gorgeous. This is my favorite F90 M5 spec. Gotten into it a few times with this car. Owner's really cool. This thing's tuned up. Has the right mods on it. LCI. Even got the carbon exhaust tips. This is just nice. Right here is the main meet. You see, there are people pouring in everywhere. There's another M car right here. This has got to be the biggest turnout here at Cars and Connections. So happy birthday to the owner of this event. Really cool to see this many cars here. Got a nice group of McLarens over here, doors up, or supercars. Nice S-Class just tucked in there as well, but McLaren, Huracan, and 765 LT, another McLaren, but look at this F8 Tributo. Spec on that is insane. So I guess this is the main portion of the meet where got more of the highest end cars, probably, you know, reserved spots in this location. GT3s, Miami Blue Huracan, GT4 RS. You can see this is a nice Venador in red. It's like AL13 wheels as well. SVJ.
If your car is parked blocking off that driveway, I'm gonna need it to be moved right now. The cops are upset and I don't want people to get tickets or worse, state rep. So those are your cars parking the blue GTR, and I think that's a black M4 in front of it. And that black G-Wagon, those cars need to be moved right now.
So we just had the drivers meeting. Long story short, the cops are pretty much kicking us out this location. Way too many people. So we're gonna go ahead and hop inside the M4, go to the next location, and then we'll all start the drive from there. F355 GTS. We got some more cars pulling in. Nice GTR, M5 Comp. Those are some nice M's right there. Big wings on them. Nice McLarens, more G80s. And look at that Huracan. Looks like we got some exotics pulling in. Nice McLaren 720. That is nice. Oh man. We got the nice F8. Well spec. This was a nice 600 LT in purple. Really cool spec. Orange seat belts. Looking good. See the exhaust tips are right there. Sick, roof scoop and all. It's actually my first time seeing the new Technica Lamborghini Huracan in person. You can see slightly longer than the original Huracan. That looks sick. Got more of the exotics pulling in. Nice GT3 as well. The spec on this F80 is clean. What do you guys think? BBS wheels and all. So we now get a chance, not only do we get to check out the GT3 RS, but we see the Lamborghini Huracan Technica up close. You can see it's quite longer in the rear. Naturally aspirated V10. But up front you can see slightly different, right? A little bit more aero and more aggressive features on the front end. That is so nice. And then the color on this F90, unmatched. We also get a chance to check out this F8 up close. Carbon everywhere, but look at the wheels. Like, look at the center caps. That is so cool. V8 twin turbo. My goodness, the color combination is insane. Interesting to see what's going to go down from this point forward. So we have a lot of cars in today's group. And everybody's trying to go on a canyon run, man. That's a lot of cars to go up a single lane road up through the mountains. So we're gonna see pretty much what's gonna happen from here. Oh, got the first cop rolling through. Man, this gas station is shut down. STOs, 488s, we have a Huracan in front of us. GT3 RS's, a cop right there. Oh my goodness. It's like the baller section over here. He's getting pulled over. I'm surprised he popped that loud in front of the cop. Wow. There he goes. As a matter of fact, that's the same cop. Ooh, nice McLaren. Okay, we're in a pretty nice group. Got AMG 600 LT and a 992 GT3 in front of us. Sounds like a racetrack on the highway over there. Oh man. Oh my God, this McLaren's kicking up all kind of rocks. Oh my God. Wow, listen to that. That sounded nuts. They're all like, what is going on? I can't imagine just randomly hiking and you come across a squad this large heading up into the mountains. That must be insane. Wow. Man, now we're behind a nice SVJ. That is a nice sight. DJs and playing. Wow, look at this 911. That is sick. I know. Lambos are pulling in. Nice all black Aventador Batmobile. We see the M4 is parked up. Nice F10 M5 Jare edition right next to it. And listen to that though. Definitely got some kind of aftermarket exhaust system on this one. Nice GT3 RS. Woo! Man, this GT3 is still wrapped up. Like you just made the purchase. Guess they're getting wild already. And check out this Huracan STO in like a purple and yellow combination. Both paint. You can see the yellow is really sparkling here in the sun. Super sick car. Blue scoop and all. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. This is pretty much the most hardcore track version of the Huracan. The full carbon fiber hood. Pretty much the whole thing is carbon fiber. Come around back. Super nice for that. You guys can see the group out here today. Wow. Huge. Man, you can check out this 992 GT3 has some homemade PPF on it. Just straight wrap the whole front end, the mirrors. Oh yeah. I'm sure it gets the job done. Back on the road and we've come to a complete stop. Usually it's not a good sign because there's no stop signs, there's no lights. Man, so we had to get out. The road is closed. This is wild. And I hope everybody's okay. see somebody roll their Toyota. Thankfully, the drivers are okay. They might be a little injured. This is something you never want to see out here. That's why you always got to take safety first when driving on roads like this. I was actually very concerned coming up here with all these kind of cars, but come to find out this car wasn't even a part of our group. So he was probably excited and then saw our group of cars, got, you know, driving pretty fast and whatnot, but thankfully everybody's okay. It's just something you never want to see. All seriousness, you got pretty much everybody a part of our convoy is now blocked off. So. Man, so it's been a smooth hour. Finally get back in the cars. They're gonna let us through. So let's go ahead and hop back inside the M4, get back on the road. That'll just about do it for today's video. What a crazy day. Again, I can't stress this enough. Just be safe out there, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.